this is J&J Studio. Thank you for stopping in. We got another wonderful video for you. Here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy.
Another J&J Studio video.
That's Moral Hall classrooms. That's Bennett Hall classrooms right here. Bennett Hall. That's with all the art and stuff. This is the music and performance and arts right here. Pretty nice. You can park here for 30 minutes if you need to, you know, stop by real quick. Today's subject is Old Central. Old Central, pretty much one of the oldest buildings here, and they redid it back in 2014-ish. They remodeled and did inside work, and we're gonna see if we can sneak a sneak peek inside. We already got the student union over here. It's Gunnison, and that right there was the Bennett building. This performing arts building is big. They had that black asbestos floor last time I was in there. Yeah, they completely redid it, and they had a crack down the wall. We had, I heard rumors back in the day, people used to jump out that window. You know, I don't know if it was that tree or something. I don't know. But this place is really old. The basement, you used to have a basement, but they filled half of it in. But understood. So, yeah. We have to be real quiet once we go inside. Yeah, now it's like a kind of like a museum in its own special way, I guess. I think they have classes here. I don't know what classes. They got a handicap ramp. It's more motorized. Got old pianos in here. That's the fire station, the fire department. It's really old. Originally it was part of OSU. We got the old clock here. We got multiple clocks like that. Then we got Old Central. Not Old Central. Library clocks that go off on every hour and on an hour. Okay, sit back and relax and enjoy. They have the steps going up there, right here. And we got some old writing and stuff on the old holes and stuff people carved in it. This place is really old. Pretty nice building. Okay, here we go. There's gonna be a long way. Oh, you can go in. Can't go in that door. I think you can't go in there now. You have to have a pass key. Oh, they got the old door here. Put the film in the basement. That's all I can show you. Look at that old radiator. Look at this old pipe wrap. It was asbestos. So that's it. Hello, Central. We're gonna go back to the vehicle and get out of here. And we'll probably do another tour of a building later. Probably one a day in this area. They're doing some repairs on Gunnison, looks like. Bennett Hall probably next. So that's a pretty cool building. That's where they do sculptures and painting, jewelry making, a whole bunch of other stuff like that. It's pretty cool. I gotta see if I can get in there and get some, you know, I don't know if you're allowed to take any pictures, but I can try. We got a map right here. We're gonna take a look at the map and skedaddle. You don't have to worry about gaining weight coming here, because a lot of you end up doing some walking. And it's not bad on nice days. Rainy, cold, snowy days is pretty bad. And really hot days is really bad. The bus stops over here, and here are pretty much all the pretty much all the buildings. Here pretty much the parking. A lot of parking here. I'll show you where we just came from. We was over here. The student union. Cafeteria, German. That's a good place to eat. Rents. Student union. Mall. Thatcher. Fire station. Old Central. Old Central's running here. Right there. Old Central. That's the CNT Arts. Alumni Center. Bartlett Mall. GAB. The business. Thatcher. And Gunnison. And that's the area we're pretty much visit today. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification of this videos, and share it out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.